United States Department of Agriculture logo. Fresh veggie wraps. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 20 minutes to prep, and does not require cooking. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Combine a 1/4 cup of low-sodium canned tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of reduced-fat cream cheese in a small bowl. Stir. Prepare 6 8-inch whole wheat tortillas. Spread 1 tablespoon of the tomato cream cheese mixture in the middle of each tortilla. Wash the romaine lettuce, red bell pepper, and cucumber, and dry with a paper towel. On a cutting board, chop 3 cups of romaine lettuce. On a cutting board, slice 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of red bell peppers into 1/4-inch strips. On a cutting board, slice 2 1/4 cups of cucumbers into 1/4-inch slices. Add 1/2 cup of romaine lettuce, 3 tablespoons of red bell pepper strips or 5 to 6 strips, and 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of cucumber or 3 slices to each tortilla. Roll each tortilla into a wrap. Place the wrap seam side down on the cutting board. Cut each wrap in half. Serve 2 halves. The CACFP crediting for fresh veggie wraps for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is 2 halves. It is a 3/4 cup vegetable and 1½ ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.